In today's video, I'm going to show you how to ditch the boring treadmill and spice up your cardio routine with 5 awesome shredding movements that will blast your fat and build your muscle at the same time. Sounds good? Then let's get started. Movement 1. The first movement is called the burpee. Do as many reps as you can in 30 seconds, then rest for 10 seconds. Movement 2. The second movement is called the mountain climber. Do this for 30 seconds, then rest for 10 seconds. Movement 3. The third movement is called the skater jump. Do this for 30 seconds, then rest for 10 seconds. Movement 4. The fourth movement is called the squat jump. Do this for 30 seconds, then rest for 10 seconds. Movement 5. The fifth and final movement is called the high knee. Do this for 30 seconds, then rest for 10 seconds. And that's it. You've just completed the shredding movements workout. How do you feel? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome fitness videos. Thanks for watching.